my channel. It's Therese here, and for today's video I have a Pansley acne cream video for you guys. As you guys know, I love skincare, so I'm really excited to try these products here. This is the Pansley acne cream. It's a 24-hour solution, and this is supposed to, what is this supposed to do? Reduce inflammation and acne scars, moisturize dry and itchy skin. Now under my fringe I have a lot of acne scars all in here, because having a fringe, your forehead can get a little bit oily. So this is supposed to reduce oil as well, even though it's tea tree oil, but this retails for $13.99, so this is it here. I'm excited to try it because I really want to know if it's good or not. I don't know. And then I also have the Pansley tea tree spray, and this retails for $11.99, and so this is a spray. I've also got the, what have I got here? I've also got the tea tree oil, but I think I'm just going to use this and the moisturizer, because the moisturizes your dry and itchy skin, and this one actually prevents acne, so I want to use these two in conjunction, whereas this one is just I think it's just meant to keep your skin in check, just kind of once it's all healed up and stuff. So I want to use these two, see if it's going to reduce all of this, and see how we go. So I'm excited to try it. Also, the packaging of both of these is really freaking cute. Let me know if you want a review on this. Let me know in the comments down below. Apologies for the lighting, it's so bright, but I wanted to get this video started because this is going to be a week-long video, so I wanted to get the intro done. So this is the packaging here. Packaging 10 out of 10. I think it's really, really cute. So let's open it up. Let's see what each smells like. So this is the packaging here. I like that it's actually open. It's got dried stuff down the side that's a bit ick, but oh well. So I think it's already been opened or slipped out. That can happen sometimes in transit, so not too mad at that, but that is just funny. I've wiped on my leg now. So it's got the ingredients in it. It's got all the ingredients along there. That's the ingredients there. And then we have the sticker there. I like that you can actually see all of the product information on it. It's got it all on there, so you can't go wrong. You know exactly what you're putting on your face, right? Oh my god, it reeks of tea tree oil, literally reeks of tea tree oil, which is not so bad. It's very sloppy, as you can see. I'm just going to rub this on my hands and just kind of see. I mean, it smells real like tea tree. That's straight on my face. Now I've got real sensitive skin, so we're going to see if my skin breaks out. Oh, it kind of feels quite refreshing, almost like minty. I meant to use it in the day and at night as well. I'll put it on the rest of my face. I'm not putting it in my eyes though. I'm trying not to, at least. Alright, then we need to do the fringe under here. Actually cover up the acne parts on here. Normally I have really good skin, but ever since having a fringe, I do tend to kind of get that fringe acne, that fracne, that's what you call it. So, as you guys can see it there. So I'm not used to filming from this way, so it's a bit weird. So that's that on. That feels nice and creamy and nice. I like that. And then get the spray here. I think it's just supposed to spray on. Shake it up. So this has tea tree essential oil, anti-acne and pore refining, hydrating and refreshing aloe vera extract. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's got too far. So use the product to spray evenly on the target area, gently massage and absorb. So it doesn't say anything about getting it in your eyes, but I'm just assuming you're not meant to. Oh, I'm sure rub it in. Just get the residue off my eyes. Well, I mean, that kind of worked, I guess, but that's what my forehead looks like there. So I guess we do some tonight at nighttime and see how we go. All right, this is day 2. You can see there. So let's go on. I didn't record last night just because it. Are we there? Just because I didn't want to. I don't know why that took me so long to spit out. still smells really nice. I feel like my skin does look clearer. What do you guys think? I feel like it does. Alright, now time for the spray. And that's on there, so let's check in later and see if it just goes away, all the scarring and the actual current acne. Alright, so let's go for day 3 of using this. And honestly, I feel like my skin, like my forehead, it's actually reducing quite a lot. It's kind of, instead of starting to be like big giant like pimples, it's actually kind of making it like just like little tiny scabs, like it's letting everything scab up. So I'm just like, oh my god, like normally I'd have like heaps of pimples by now. So I'm actually really impressed, especially with just under my fringe. But because normally I don't get that many pimples on my face, but I'm actually like, okay, she is actually freaking working on my actual skin. And the smell is not too bad. Also, haven't had one skin reaction, so I'm very happy with this, because I've been waiting to have like a skin reaction or something like that. Like I've just been waiting, literally just been waiting to have some kind of reaction, but I haven't, so it's been really good. I've kept everything in the boxes because I keep putting it in the box when I take it out, which is real weird, but kind of like a setting spray from like the tea tree. Don't use it as a setting spray though, it's not my advice. All right, it's on my face. Like, look, I feel like my skin is looking really good. So yeah, day 3 done. Alright, so update with my skin. It's going really well. Like, I'm very impressed. I realized on packaging it does say 24-hour solution, so I should have seen results right by now, and I have been. So I'm actually really impressed. I haven't had any weird pimples show up or anything like that. I'm just really move that. I'm just really amazed with how it's covered my pimples under my freaking fringe, because if anyone else has a fringe, they understand the issues that I have, because you will get like fringe acne. That's like a thing, but it's like gone. I'm just like, what the hell? And it's just so hydrating as well. I'm finding, like, I'm just really loving it. I think it's real good. But yeah, and then the little, this is good too. And I recently just put I put my nose ring back in my nose, and this is actually helping it to heal. So that's awesome. So winning so far. Where is it? Yes. All right, it's the final day. Now, I haven't actually recorded the last like 2 days of me doing this, or 1 day. I think I've gone a day over, but my skin, guys, this stuff, beasties, I didn't think I would enjoy it as much as I did, but look at my forehead. Like, it's like nothing there compared to what it was. There's like nothing there. Like, my skin, it looks so clear, so glowy. Literally, this is just nothing but my skin and sweat, baby. Like, this is it. Like, I just feel like my skin just looks so clear. I look so glowy, like so radiant. Like, I am very happy with this product. And also what I did mention in my previous clips as well, this spray, I've been using it on my nose, because re-piercing my nose, when I pierced my nose myself, just like put it in there. It's painful when you put a hoop into there because literally like it has not infected it, but it's irritated some bacteria, if you will. And this spray, honestly, I did this like 2 days ago and 3 days ago. It must have been 3 days ago that I did this, and it's like pretty much healed it back up. And normally it would take a good couple of weeks to actually get it like properly healed, but it feels so good. Like I can move it, there's no issues, like doesn't hurt. It's so soothing and so nice, and I honestly, I can't get over that because I am someone that will just pierce herself because I'll be like, I want a piercing, so I'm going to do that. So having like the tea tree in a spray and its healing properties and everything, I think that's why it works so well on like acne and all that kind of stuff, because it's you know, you've got to think it's like antiseptic, and then it is, what do you call it, like cleansing, like bacterial remover vibes, like hand sanitizer but like natural, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm not too good on like chemicals and all that kind of lingo and stuff, but the fact that it actually like helps and soothes it, it's probably the aloe vera that's in it that like soothes it. But honestly, my skin, like, look at me, I look good. I know that sounds real freaking on myself, but I think I look really, really good. I actually, for the price point, really rate this stuff just because it has worked for me. And honestly, my fringe acne has been so embarrassing and everything, and now I'm like not even embarrassed. Like, look, I still got a little bit of scarring like left from like the deep scars, because what happens is it tends to scab up and then I literally like just scratch the shit out of it. It's a really bad habit, but I tend to do that, and honestly this has helped so much. I haven't even picked my face in the last like freaking week or anything like that. Normally I'm picking it. I know that sounds real gross, but let's be honest, this is our bodies, this is what we do. But honestly, this stuff highly rate. So for the price point, I think it's affordable, it works, and if you're someone like me that has new piercings every freaking day, then, well, not every day, but if you've got new piercings and stuff all the time, this stuff would really help you. So yeah, the Pansley acne cream, the Pansley tea tree essential oil tea tree spray is amazing. This I love. Also, this, at first I was quite overwhelmed by the smell, but now I'm really used to it. Like, now I open it, helps if I take the lid off. What? Helps if it, oh god, helps if you can actually get into it. Now the smell doesn't bother me, so the smell's not as obtuse as when you first open it. So I think when you first open it, it's like, whew, but it's mellowed out, so it's good. So honestly, rate that, love that. I think it's really nice, really hydrating, and yeah, my skin speaks for itself. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me in the comments down below what you guys think. Have you even heard of this brand? Have you tried it before? I think that personally, it smells really nice. I like it. I think it looks really pretty. But thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully you guys click on another video. I've totally forgotten my outro. It is just not working out for me. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Got it? Yes. Okay. See you. Bye. Bye-bye.